So here is how you can clear tabs on the Apple Watch. Let's talk about it. If this is your first time on the Foxtecc channel, consider subscribing as I have plenty of videos and tutorials coming up, so I don't want you to miss them. Anyways, there are more things you might mean by the tabs, but most likely it's for the open apps on the Apple Watch, and you can access them by just making your Apple Watch light up and then a double pressing the digital crown. It's the rotating circular button, and you double press it like that, and you can see all of the recent apps which you have the ability to swipe left on and click the X icon to just like close them, right? So that's like the main way of just clearing the tabs, right? So you can just close all of them and that's it. On the other hand, some people might mean when you swipe up on the watch face, you can see like a different set of tabs, but these are more like widgets technically, right? So it's like a different thing sort of, but these can also be like customized by holding down on it. You can pin some of them in here or just delete them, right? So it depends on how exactly you want to do this or what you want to show up when you swipe up. But this is like a different set of tabs, which you can also clear if you don't want them to be visible. But that would be about it. Like there isn't any other like place which I'm aware of, which you might be thinking about. But like if you have something else which you had in mind or something you wanted to ask, go ahead and let me know about that below in the comment section. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you later in the upcoming videos as well.